Welcome back to the Meow Meow Quiz. Can you avoid all the bad options in this squishy gift box challenge? Let's see how lucky you are. But before starting this challenge, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fun and exciting videos. Choose your squishy box. I hope you did not get that moldy one. 3 box and 1 choice. Which one are you picking up for your mansion? Aww, that broken mansion looks like cursed. Pick only 1 squishy box and see your bedroom. Which one did you got? Choose your kitchen. Oh my God, these are looking so luxury and dreamy. Choose your phone case. Which box are you opening? Pick your gift box wisely and see your dumpling. I love eating dumplings. Do you like it too? Did you got the squishy one or the real one? Choose your gaming room. Do you like video games? Ew! Sad for those who got pickled Oreo. What's your next gift box? These watches are so luxury and beautiful. Wow, those Nike shoes are my favorite, all the time. Choose your keychain. Pick only 1 squishy box. Time to choose your slide. I love taking slides. What about you? Well, I'm sure you will love sliding too. Choose your earbuds. Which box are you opening for now? OMG! Not those broken ones! Which gift box will you choose for your school bag? Be careful, buddy. choose your TV lounge. Wow, these TV lounge are awesome! Were you lucky or unlucky? Let us know in the comments box and pick your next challenge. See you soon!